Hello, Tete. Good afternoon. Will you please introduce yourself?
Hello, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Jima Macalyan. I'm 46-year-old from Philippines.
How long have you been here in Hong Kong?
Almost 9 years.
Can you tell us your daily routine and job experience?
Every day, I wake up in 6:30 and then I
6:30, and then after that, do you need to cook a breakfast?
No, I go to the toilet and I prepare myself. After that, I prepare my milk for my
For the kids?
for the kids, and then I prepare also his uniform. After I wake up him, and then after that I give him the breakfast. After his breakfast, I prepare him to change the uniform, and then after that I bring him to go down to bring in the school bus.
So after sending the kids,
I go back home. After that, I prepare also cleaning and washing and everything. After that time, I go down again. I pick up the kids.
so after your cleaning, pick up the kids, and do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook the dinner.
And then after dinner, what time you finish your work?
Almost 11 or 12.
Okay, so do you know how to cook? What kind of dish can you cook?
I steam, soup, and then I choy some vegetable, other vegetable, and then pasta.
How old the kids that you've been taking care?
2 years and 6 years.
Also 2 kids.
Yes, 2 kids.
Okay, so thank you so much, Jeje.